It is 40 degrees outside of in Chongqing, but inside here, it's freezing. Welcome to the ultimate underground hotpot. This is the underground city. Believe it or not, this massive place used to be a secret military factory from World War II. It's over 2 kilometers long. You are literally dealing inside a real air raid shelter. Check this out. It's a natural air-conditioned cave, always around 25 degrees. The spicy beef tunnel broth is boiling. The trip is super crunchy. Honestly, the vibe here is even better than the food. It feels like a step back in time. But here is the best part. Once you have done eating, just walk out through the JiuJie last street exit. Boom! You are instantly in the middle of Chongqing's widest bar district. From old-school history to modern nightlife in just 1 minute. Want the exact location and a map of this secret route? I wrote a full guide on my blog, Dolphin Union. Check it out. I'm Uncle Lee. Follow me. I make Chongqing easy for you.